Hello everybody, and today I will be playing another Roblox video with you guys, and let's get started. Fact is, I don't know which one I'm going to play. We'll have to scroll down. I will play Jailbreak with you guys, but it's too laggy. Way too laggy. It's the only game that's real laggy. I don't know what game I want to play with you guys. Like, what game should I play with you guys? I don't know. Oh, guys, I really don't know. Huh? No. No. YouTube channel. YouTube channel. Gaming YouTube channel. YouTube channel. Yeah. Now my grandma knows I have a YouTube channel. I play Flood Escape. For all you Flood Escape fans, I'm a fan too. I'm a real big fan too. And I'm good at this game. Really good at this game. And now I'm making another video with you guys. I'm probably gonna get to play like 2 rounds and then a certain time to play with you guys, like I said. And oh yeah, and if you guys couldn't hear me, I said that, you know, I have a certain time to play with you guys and stuff, and I can't like play with you that long, and I have to have enough time for the outro. So I'm gonna play 2 rounds with you guys and end it there, so I'll have time for the outro and it won't just end without me saying goodbye or anything. Dead. Anyway, I did take a lot of time finding which game I wanted to play, so you guys know that we only have a little time. Like, just a little. What my mind? You really like? And also, shout out to William Huff for being a great fan, you know. And subscribing. Thank you so much, William Huff, and you're the best. You know, I'm pretty sure. No mind. I don't need to be saying people's names in here. I'm trying my best to climb up here. Oh my gosh, I'm not good at this one. But I am good at some parts. You guys know that. I am good at some parts, and it's real laggy. I hate when it's real laggy. Like, everything is so hard when it's real laggy. Come on, put this little bridge so we can cross. Right. Oh, dad. Still made it though. Level 22. Scramble up. But really, it's just like, I'll play 1 more round with you guys. Alright. Plus, it's my bedtime. I have a bedtime. Because I have school, and really it's the weekend, but I still have a bedtime. Alright. Alright, you gotta be faster than that. I'll play this 1 more round. Then, okay. if I do die, that will be the end of the video. You dying, I'm sorry. I will record a video tomorrow, but you guys and I'll have more time. Yeah, I'll be sure I'll have more time to Star Wars video. Have I played a Star Wars video with you guys? I don't know. I told you, Granny. I said YouTube. Alright guys, I have to end it here. And bye. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll be giving out shout outs. Comment down and stuff, and I'll be giving out shout outs. Bye bye.